Hello all and welcome to this video tutorial. Today I'm going to teach you all about the ArrangeMe program. This video I'm probably going to stick on the Composer channel because it's probably going to be a long one. But this is the ArrangeMe program brought to you by SMP Press, and it's a site where you could start selling legal arrangements of copyrighted songs. I was very not sure about this when it first came out, because usually as a composer, when you have a song that you wrote, you don't want somebody actually taking advantage of it by doing an arrangement. And even if I were to do that, I would probably go and select get the contact info of the person that, or the company that produces their music and sheet music, and get their clearance to do it and actually develop a relationship with them. That's something that you may want to consider doing if you want to do a larger arrangement of their of their music to show your appreciation. But otherwise, I wouldn't. But on this one, basically, ArrangeMe is SMP Press's way of making it so that you can arrange songs that are already in the popular or public domain repertoire to sell. And you make money by selling just like you do your own compositions. And 20% goes to you, 20% goes to 20 or more percent goes to the artist, and the rest of it goes to Sheet Music Plus. So, and you can't do big things like large ensembles, including band, choral, and jazz orchestra or marching band. You can't do that. You can't do mashups and medleys or collections. If you're going to do those with your own music, because those take a lot of time, for one, and they just don't do well in the current market for sheet music, because a lot of people want the piano scores, they want the piano, vocal, guitar, the chord scores, they want other things than this. So, and another thing is ArrangeMe exclusive? Yes. You can only sell arrangements of other people's songs as they're cleared by SMP Press and the third-party publishing company of the composer that allowed SMP Press to have access to the catalog. If you sell outside of SMP Press, you'll be subject to copyright infringement, which I don't recommend that for anybody. There are a couple of options that you can do. You could view the pre-approved song list, which is what I'm going to do right now. And you'll see all this, all the listing of songs that you can arrange. And keep in mind, the composers still get a cut of the sales that you make. So it's not like you're shorting them out. But be careful. Be careful on this. Don't sell outside of SMP Press. Then you've got download a sample PDF. This is where you will go if you're going to go and start doing arrangements of other people's compositions. You need to go and clear it with the publishing company of the person who wrote the song. That's where you go to download a sample PDF of the new song that you want to download. Same if you wanted to upload your PDF, add a new arrangement title to start legally selling your arrangement. This is also where you're going to have the legal writing that says from the artist publishing company that you're allowed to sell an arrangement of their song. Otherwise, don't do it. So I would always go on the safe side and view the pre-approved song list, and if not, then I would just stick to writing my own music and putting it up. Now, this question always occurs in my mind. How would you like it if somebody arranged your song without your knowledge? Well, they don't do it without my knowledge, because Hal Leonard and several other publishers that go with SMP Press on Sheet Music Plus, they contract or they contact the publishers of the songs or the songwriters to get written permission for them. They go through all of that paperwork to make this program possible. So you're going to want to be careful what you do with this, but you can select songs from their pre-approved song list to make piano arrangements, chamber music arrangements, trios, and etc. And that's usually mainly what this is for. So if you want more information, feel free to go on the SMP Press website and read all about it. In the next video, I could show you how to upload a title if you so choose. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment or like or subscribe to this video. I post videos semi-regularly, although I haven't been lately, but I'm getting on it. So if you guys want more tutorials, please contact me. If you have a subject in music that you want me to talk about that is in the realm of music composition, arranging, orchestration, or the like, please comment and let me know what you want to hear. Until next time, I'm Cody Wyman, and this is CJW Music Tutorials signing off.